Okay, ready.
Hello, this is Sander Hicks from Zen Space Makers, loftbedsnyc.com, and welcome to another video. We have a successful project here. We have Elena and Skye, our customers, that are going to be doing an evaluation. They're going to be writing some notes, and I'm going to be presenting the fine qualities of their special new kids bunk bed. First of all, do you think you like it so far?
Well, it definitely could use a bit more color.
Okay, yes, you're right. But we were ordered by the higher powers that be to put it, make it. Oh, you're gonna be right back? We were told to make it dove wing. So this is a white, but it's technically a gray. It's very trendy. So this is why it's semi-gloss dove wing. Notice these finials, we put in 4 finials. So it's a very kind of classic princessy kind of bed. I love your classic chandelier. We're gonna come back and help your mom replace the electric here later, but for right now it's pretty cool. And then you can have your grandma and pop-up sleep here in the full mattress. So it has a full-size mattress here and a twin size here. Now look at this ladder. Look at what we did for you on the ladder. Look at the fine attention to detail. What we did is we rubbed in a whitewash into these catalpa steps and then sanded some of it off and put on shellac, so it has kind of a cool, kind of beachy, East Hampton kind of feeling. Don't you feel like you're at the beach when you see this?
Sort of.
You guys are a tough
We need
crowd.
a little more color.
More color. What colors would you like?
Purple and pink and red.
Yes, you're right. Purple, pink, and red. All right, we're going to come back maybe on another day if the higher powers approve and maybe add a little color. Maybe let you guys make a watercolor painting and then you can scotch tape it to the loft. You want to do that? Okay, good. Well, thank you very much for being in our video. Is there anything else you wanted to tell the camera before we wrap it up?
Well, I just wanted to say that I like one more thing on my list.
Finials? Those are called finials. Thank you very much. I got these in Maine, you know, and I picked them up when I was picking up a whole bunch of hardwood, and I saw these, and I said, you know what, these would be great for Elena's bunk bed. So good, I'm glad it all worked out. Originally, they were going to be really big, but then I said, talk to your mom, and your mom said, no, make them a little bit shorter.
We need a little more.
You need a mattress, I know. Well, your mom bought the mattresses, and they're going to be ready in like a day or so.
We need red, blue, pink, and...
Red, blue, pink, and purple. Can you write that down for me?
I did.
You did? Let me see this here. Oh, but you wrote it in Dutch.
I know.
Do you speak Dutch?
I do.
Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Yeah?
My father knows this too.
Wow. That's great.
And Lena and mom does not.
Mom does not. Oh, well.
Oh, and Lena.
All right, well, this is what we say in Zen. We say, gasho. All right, that's it. Thanks a lot.